Hmm? Team, am I audible? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, are you guys ready with the resumes, team? And what about the certificate? Have it started working on the certification part?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Anushka.
Any questions, team? So,
Anushka, sorry, Anita here. I want to ask that final exam, we have to on the camera or it's a
yes.
normal exam? Okay,
No. Camera should be on. Okay.
okay,
And the room screening, that
okay.
is also on. And noising, if you are talking something. So,
Mm-hmm.
everything is in track. So, whenever
Okay.
you're taking an exam, go to the closed room, okay, and then take the
Mm.
exam.
Yes.
So it is available almost 90 minutes. Easily you can do. And approximate questions, I think so 50 questions. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So see here, team. So guys, prepare our resumes and then post your resumes into the Naukaris and all job portals and apply for the opportunities. Definitely you'll get the call. Initially, what you can do, um, just try to schedule the interview. Obviously, in interview's point of view, you may get a lot of things. Okay, like in our Tosca point of, The major
Sir,
and
can you please show me any sample resume? How to add for the Tosca particulars and details?
so team, I already added some of the sample resumes in our drive folder. Okay. This is a daily class note PDF. Okay. Try to prepare ATC friendly resume team. Okay. Otherwise, I'll add directly sample resumes folder in your directory. So this sample resume folder itself, it is holding almost 0 to 12 lessons team. This will help you. And here you can see these all are the sample resumes. And once you create the resume, check that is ATC friendly or not. To check that, this is the resume, the person who is having 5 years of experience. You can see here, this is the 5 years experience and the number of projects and all. Only this resume, it belongs to 11 years of experience. And here, team, in the Tosca automation testing point of view, you can see or add all of your experience related points here, like module scanning, test case creations, libraries, recoveries, almost all major concepts, headlines you can include directly here. Okay. And then manual testing. If you have any manual testing experience, just mention your manual testing experience also here and which company you are working right now. So what is the skills summaries you have and what projects you work on. So if you complete any certification, just make a note here what certifications you completed. Let us assume you guys are completed AS1 and AS2. Just mention AS1 and AS2. TDS1 or TDS2. Just mention TDS1 or TDS2. A1 or A2. Just mention A1 and A2. So these things make sure you have to mention accordingly. Clear? Good. So this way, try to take these resumes as a reference. Don't edit these resumes directly. So better you can make these resumes as a reference and the way they just represented everything. So make sure to you guys also represent the similar way. And one more thing here, I think in our website, maybe we have, let me use. So this is the LMS right now. It is developing by Nextatic area. They're just given to me for the testing purpose. Maybe in this website they added ATC friendly scanning resumes. I just saw somewhere. I just want to show you. Okay. And in your process, this is the sample resume section. So let us go. This is a free for everyone. Just go here, and this is your sample resume section. And these all are the some of the sample resumes which is related to a full stack front end developer and data science, AI/ML, mobile back end developer, some things. And here build your own resume. If you enter all of your information like your name or full name and your domain related skills, React and JS, what exactly the technical skills, the summary of your resume and your experience and education project. So if you mention all these details, if you click on generate resume, directly it create one ATC friendly resume. Okay. So here, what exactly the ATC? ATC, 75% of big companies, they are using ATC scan filter resumes. So they are not spending much time to take the resumes, validate, and then process for the further interviews level team. So what these people are doing, they are just scanning ATC friendly resumes. They just have one ATC scanner. Once they scan what are the resumes or ATC friendly, they are just considering those resumes only. Okay. And the fancy layouts, columns, graphics are got rejected automatically. So it will reject automatically. Maybe further levels we may not have a chance to attend also. So most of the companies nowadays, they are using ATC friendly resumes and use the ATC friendly template shown first and online application and save colorful template for reference and direct emails to hiring manager. This is one of the option tip. Just enter all of your details. Log in with your Google account. Even I logged in with my Google account only. Just join here and enter all these details. Generate your resume here. Okay. Next. So here, if you already had a resume, for example, I already had it. Okay. I'm just clicking on here. Go to the downloads. Not downloads, right? Go to desktop.
Anusha, like in interview, they will ask oral type of questions, like they may give practical scenarios.
Completely oral questions only.
Okay.
Completely oral type of questions only. Because in the Tosca, there is no coding, right?
Yes, Anusha.
Obviously, what happens, they'll ask all theoretical questions. So for these theoretical questions, how confident we are explaining to them, that is comes to the picture. Getting my points?
Yes, Anusha. Actually, some of the people, they told like to build a real-time scenarios, like they use they like to prepare a login scenarios and like that. They were asked them.
Some of the companies, what they do, they'll share the screen and they'll give you remote access to you.
Okay.
Okay. They just give one scenario to you. Okay. Some rare situation, not every time. Okay. Now.
Okay.
So they give a remote access to you. You have to take a remote access and then just what are the scenario it's given to them. They'll give you the application URL and they'll give you the scenario also, which scenario you're going to automate. Okay. So they just see your approach, the module creation point of view, and test case development and executions point of how soon you are able to automate that simple scenario.
Yes, Anusha.
So I'm just choosing here full stack and my requirement categories here QA and automation, test automation. I'm having almost, let me make it as a 5+ senior. So this is one page. Single page best for freshers, but not a single page, right? Detailed 2 pages recommended for more than 3 years. Okay, publish sample. So it is having some issue in the back end. Probably here you can able to see working with the resumes kind of things. Just go here and go to your courses and the sample resumes. Make sure you have to update and download the files. Okay, clear?
Anusha, share this URL.
I'll do that. Okay.
Okay.
And coming to here, along with that, I think maybe they added one mock interview feature as well. If you go ask my courses, you can see mock interview feature. This is AI companion and mentor connect, live mentor connect scheduler. So AI companion means choose which course you are just learning. It is a Tosca, right? So start an interview for this. These are not a free of cost. Okay, probably these all are the multiple choice questions. Okay, video, voice interview, and questions interview. So AI companion, mock interview skills, feedback, and no schedule needed. You can reattempt the interview many times. The number of questions, 30 questions, and 5 questions with 30 minutes. You can answer by typing or speaking. Okay, your browser will translate via web speech API. Okay, hit skip on questions if you don't know the end of the interview. Anyway, you'll get the report for that. Okay. So I'm not sure which kind of interface that is given here. Let me click on continue system check. Skip continue. I'm just skipping the interview question. Allow this time. Start interview questions. So Tim, if these are MCQs, it's fine. Other than MCQs, if it is giving any other kind of questions, we can check that. Okay. Yes, see, these all are the Tosca questions only. See, they're just asking like, explain how would you design test automation framework in Tosca for testing SAP modules, and what are the key consideration handling dynamic object identifications in SAP elements. So whenever you are scanning in SAP screens, also what exactly your approach the scanning mechanism. Okay, now. So just write your answer here. Otherwise, you can speak. It will take your answers and all. Just skip the interview if you don't know the answer. So it will give you the next project, next questions too. So based on these questions, you can write answers. Once you are done with all these things, too, finally you can end the interview. It will show you the interview has been submitted. So here, Tim, once you are submitted, it will give you the feedback. So how many answered you correctly, and how many are not answered, and the related information. No answer provided, no answer provided. So it is telling like you are not provided any answer here. Clear? Just try some mock interviews with the multiple choice questions and a video conference also. It will give you some kind. For mentor connect team, select your course. For example, if you want to take an interview only for the mentor point of view, just choose which date you guys are free and then prefer timings also. At least book the slot 1 week or 10 days ahead. Okay, because maybe the team they have to assign the respective allocator to you. So you are just scheduling this one. Once you do a scheduling part, it will show you directly the scheduler areas. Okay, you schedule the past session. So here 30th May morning 11:24 a.m. you have a interview, mentor connect interview. But before coming to a mentor connect, make sure you have to do a AI companion interview. Okay. Team clear? I think the next IT team is added more features right now. Here you can see auto apply feature. This is one of the, I think, the advanced thing I can say. Even you can apply for the jobs while you are sleeping. Go to here, the auto apply feature. So instead of doing these things, simply you can click on install. It go to the cloud tip. So click on here add to Chrome because the cloud extension must you have to add an extension over here. Almost this many people are installed so far this particular Claude Anthropic to the your browser category. Once it is open directly, so as instructed in the application, sign in with Anthropic account. Pro is recommended. If you have account, you can sign in. So must you have to sign in with the account stream. Okay. So your account is nothing but default. It is taking a Google authentication. Just make it as a authorized. Then create, continue, delete your conversations. Just make it as a authorized. So try for the demo. It is giving some information here. And what you can do, come back, build and upload your resume builder. Okay. Login is done. Open resume builder. So it always obviously it is navigate to here. In this resume builder team, you can see the fresher resumes, chronicle pro. These are the experience related resumes, career switchers related resumes, and senior and the quality, senior technical plus interviews resumes. If you come here, if you open this one, see here, the total resume is added in this level. Maybe try to utilize this application URL team. This will help you more. I think still it is in development. If you recognize something is not accurate or some bugs kind of thing, let me know. I can inform to them. They'll fix it. Okay. Team clear?
Yes, Anusha.
Thank you. So try to imply your resumes here and even try to add your Claude extension and here and apply your resume, and whilst you are asleep or you are doing some other works, do your work to apply the job based on your skill set. Okay. So that is a recommended now because somewhat we have worked with some other uh, work, something we used to do, right? But if even if you want to apply the jobs while you are in sleep, you can do these things. The instructions here, it is given very clearly. Installing job application table not created at maybe the table is in deployment is still pending. Maybe they use this today or tomorrow the deployment. Later you can update your resumes details here. Okay. Clear now?
Yes, Anusha.
So just prepare your resumes and do let me know, okay, if you need any kind of help. Any questions, Steve? I hope it's clear, right?
Yes, Anusha.
Just try to work on this, and while doing the certification part, let me know if you're having any kind of issues, or if you need my help directly, you can let me know. I can connect with you, and otherwise over the call also I can tell you the answers, what answer for the each questions. Okay.
Yes, Anisha, thank you so much for giving a nice session, and we are understanding Tosca concept very well. Anisha, thank you so much for your guidance and support.
Thank you, Rajlakshmi. So, but make sure to do a practice accordingly. Okay?
Yes, yes,
Tosca
Anisha.
is a scriptless tool only. Easily you can understand, you can do the things. But if you do practice, you can explain in interviews in confidently. After getting an opportunity, also you don't need to depend any others. You can do your work by your own without any dependency.
Yes, Anisha.
So almost we spent more than 60 days, but we understand almost all the concepts and features, right? That will help you more to get an opportunities. For job opportunities team, I can give you the link. You can join there, and I'll post the daily links over there and check it. Okay.
Yes, Anusha. Anusha, that system access, how many days left, Anusha?
Cloud, right?
No, that Tosca Commander access they were provided, right?
I think it is available for you the next 3 months. As I said, it is a 6 months activity, right?
Yes, yes, Anusha.
So for only 3 months completed. Do you have 3 more months? Okay.
Okay, okay, Anusha. Thank you, Anusha.
Thank you, team. Bye bye. Have a nice day.
Sure.
Thanks to you all for timing your wonderful time with me. So going forward, keep in touch with me. We can discuss if we can any
Anusha,
kind of
if we have
issues.
any doubts, we can paste in the group, right?
Yes, group, it's always there. Just post in the group, okay?
Okay, Anusha.
Otherwise, you can give me WhatsApp call. Even I'll also respond to you.
Okay,
Okay,
Anusha.
Anusha.
Thank you so much, Anusha.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
team. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Yeah, thank you.